everyone, this is the Learning PEARadise, and if you like our videos, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you! The Learning PEARadise is the place to be. Play, explore, use art, and read. Come along with us on our learning journey. Play, explore, use art, and read. New videos each and every week. Play, explore, use art, and read. A is for art. Hey guys, this is the Learning PEARadise where we live and learn by playing, exploring, using art, and reading. And right now it's time for art. So we're going to be making drums, and on our second part of our video, we're going to be making a guitar. So if you want to make a guitar, just sit back. Alright, so Mom, would you like to tell them the materials they'll need to make all this drums?
You'll need balloons. You'll need, you can choose whatever color balloon you want.
Any color.
You need chopsticks. You'll need scissors.
And we're using decorative tape. You could use whatever to decorate your drum.
And you need
cans.
4 cans.
Well, you don't need 4, but you could use cans, like a Pringles can.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Okay.
So, we're not using cans with bumpy edges just because when we put the tape up there, it looks bumpy. So, yeah. Alright, first thing you're going to do is get a can. So, sis, I'll let you have this bigger one since you're little, and I'll have these smaller ones. And just pick a color for your can top. And you don't need the top for the Pringles can. So, just pick a color for your can, any color.
How do I put it on? Oh.
How do you put it on? Well, that's another story. So, first you're going to
cut this, right?
Yeah, you're going to cut off this skinny part of the balloon and make sure you have the fat part.
Yeah, here's the fat part, guys.
So
you can see the fat part.
Just do this.
The fat part.
I'm going to do this to all my balloons.
Wait,
I'm doing pink and blue.
Okay.
Well, actually, we're doing multicolored here.
How do I put this thing on?
So you're going to need to make sure the balloon opens up.
How do I put this big thing on?
And then you're going to kind of press it against your body. If you're in a chair, you can kind of use both of your legs to hold it. Now what I'm going to do is totally different on what you could do, but I got it on.
Can I have
now you may have this little blobby thing
in the middle. Can I have a little one? I can't do this big one.
You can do the big one.
Oh, it won't fit.
Well,
see,
you may have this bobby in the middle, but it doesn't matter because
I'm doing a little one. No, okay. You can have this. I'll trade this one for the big one, but how do I put this thing on?
Just stretch.
I am. You do it for me then.
Take the balloon, and if you don't have enough space, you can just keep cutting. Hold on.
Ooh.
Hold up. What I do is hold it with both of my hands, and I take a quick moment to have the break. Oh my gosh. Almost done. Yeah! There we go. Alright, so now I have all my things.
Yours or
all of our things. So now I'm going to use this tape. We have glitter tape right here. I'm going to just tape. So here we go. Let's decorate. Now here's a little hack for you. If you do not have tape, and it could be washi tape, If you don't have tape, you can use construction paper.
Yeah. If you want strips of paper, you can add that. And if you want just little piece of paper, you can choose whatever one you want. And you'll have to tape it or glue it, whichever one is a better choice for you.
I think you should tape it. Now we have a drum. And the only reason you need your chopsticks, or I could just put the stick in my chopsticks, but whatever, you can do this. Alright, well, thanks for joining us while we are having some fun. And now, well, what are we gonna do?
Play with these, of course.
Okay. Boom, boom, boom,
Here, you can have
boom.
one.
Alright guys, so now we're going to be making, well, this is art part 2, and we are going to be making a guitar. Let's do this. So sis, tell them the materials they will need to make their art guitar.
You need rubber bands. You'll need a cutout black circle or
From
whatever.
construction paper.
You'll need tape, scissors, a paper towel roll. You'll need a marker, what you can see,
A Sharpie.
and you need a cereal box. First, you are going to tape.
Well, first you're going to cut out your construction paper out of black construction paper, a circle. You can trace it from a bowl, like that's why you need the marker, but we're not going to show you that. But you just trace it from a bowl and just cut it out. So then you're going to take some tape. I can cut it. Take some tape.
Cut it and tape it. And now you're going to do the rubber bands and put it around for the guitar.
Now you're going to cut at the bottom, but make sure they're wide. Then you're going to bend.
Can I bend?
Sure. Yeah.
You're going to keep bending all the pieces you cut.
But you got to make sure you don't cut the whole thing. You like
Yeah.
do small little strips at the bottom. So now it looks kind of like a flower.
Now you're going to put it on it and tape it. And there we go. We have a big wide guitar.
Now play it. So if your box does not sound right to you, and we've run into that problem also, you can kind of bend your box just a little bit. You can see it's kind of bent. You can kind of bend your box.
Oh, and you can also cut a whole
circle and on the top of your box and stick the paper towel roll in it, and it will sound probably like this. And, well, I was thinking, what African American that plays music could we be? Let's imagine.
Wow, look at my totally new outfit. I'll give you 5 seconds to guess who I am. Do you know who I am? Let me hear it. Yes, you're correct. India-R-E. I'm gonna sing. Let's get it. Get this totally new guitar I made by myself. I'm crazy over you. I'm crazy. Okay, that's the short part. I'm not gonna do that really long one because I don't have that much time. I only have a little bit of time with you right now. So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Wait, what am I doing? This is incredible. Where'd all this stuff come from? Now my shirt's different, my hair. I even got an earring over here. And my drum is placed right in front of me. I wonder, who's an African American that plays the drums? I'll give you 5 seconds to guess. And you can look at all the clues to guess. Time is up. Well, I am Sheila E. And she is a person that plays the drums. And I would like to share one of her songs with you, The Glamorous Life.
Oh my gosh.
I just had the craziest dream.
Me too.
Cool. Well, I was a musician and I was playing the drums and I was Sheila E. Yes, I was Sheila E.
Yeah, and I was playing music too. I was playing the guitar. Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, a guitar, and I was, let's see, Eddie-R-E!
Yes, wow, that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
And it was really weird because we made those things.
Yeah. Oh, and guys, I forgot to remind you, if we did not decorate the guitar, you can decorate the
Guitar.
if you want.
Yes, if you want. Keep creating and learn about Black Music Month. So you guys have fun, and I hope you enjoy your instruments, and we will see you in reading. Hopefully you checked out Play and Explore. We'll see you in reading. Make sure you check out Play, Explore, and Reading, all about Black Music Month. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy it. Remember to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.